Welcome back to Tutorials by David. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online in 2026. First, log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the left menu and look for Transactions, then click on Bank Transactions. On the next page, hit Connect Account. This will open a setup screen where QuickBooks asks you to find your bank. Type your bank name in the search bar, like Bank of America, American Express, or any bank you use, and select it from the list. After that, you'll be prompted to sign into your online banking. Just enter your credentials and follow the on-screen steps to authorize the connection. If your bank has extra security checks, complete those as well. Once everything is approved, your bank account will automatically link the QuickBooks and your transactions will start syncing. And that's it. Simple, fast, and done in just a few clicks.